In this recipe video, I'm going to talk about how I steamed some delicious mussels using beer. It was a local Nova Scotian beer. It was absolutely delectable. You know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossy, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. Hit those buttons, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. All right, I'm starting with my 11-quart pot by Starfrit. This thing is huge, and I love using it for cooking. So, threw a little bit of olive oil in there, threw in some shallots, and just going to start kind of, cooking those down. Now, we're going to go in with a little bit of salt and pepper. We're probably going to saute these for probably 2 to 3 minutes. Try and get them nice and translucent. Then you're going to go in with some diced garlic. Oh, buddy, right into that olive oil, give it the old mix around. Then we're going to come in with some beer. Now, if you want to use water here, you totally can. However, beer steps it up a notch. Absolutely delicious, guys. And I'm using Coldstream Clear light beer. Nova Scotian, delicious. One of my favorite beers. Absolutely fantastic. I'm going in with 2 of them because I got a bunch of mussels today and I want to make sure I got enough liquid in here, okay? So we're going to give it the old mix around, just kind of incorporate everything there. Then we're going to grab our PEI mussels. These are absolutely splendid. We're going to throw it right into that liquid with that Starfrit lid right on there. Look, things are going to get steamy here. I'll try my best to explain it, but we're going to go in with a little splash of some cream. Nothing too crazy. Sorry, again, it got a little steamy there. You're just going to let this ride for 4 to 7 minutes. Afterwards, you can just serve it up. Throw some fresh parsley on there if you'd like. But these were absolutely delicious, guys. I don't know if you ever had PEI mussels before, but they are one of my favorite little appetizers to whip up. Seriously delectable. Seriously delicious. Just look at this scrumptious little mussel. You better believe every time I brought one of these up to the camera, I was just absolutely devouring it. Every single last one. Guys, mussels are cheap, delicious, good for you. Like, all of this is a good thing. I'm telling you. This is a nice little treat that you can whip up maybe next game day or, just show some appreciation to the Atlantic provinces, bud. We're always out here having a good time. And I'm telling you, this recipe was so simple. That took me less than 2 minutes to start to finish. Like, that's crazy. If you like mussels, you gotta give this a shot. Just put some beer in that pot and just steam them right quick. You know what's up. Absolutely delicious layers of flavor. It doesn't matter if it's seafood, poultry, beef, pork. I don't care. I'm coming in hot, making sure I show you the easiest way to just devour this. So you know what to do. If you haven't already liked and subscribed to my channel, hit those buttons. It means so much to me that you take the time to watch my videos. Oh, bud. Until next time, eat some good seafood, delicious mussels, treat yourself to something special, and just take care and stay safe.